Today, we will be focusing on the 50 kilowatts high voltage inverter, independently designed and manufactured by Felicitysolar. We will also cover the high voltage batteries designed for use with it. Our live stream will last approximately 1 hour. With me, hosted the entire live. First, take a look at this inverter behind me. It's currently the largest grid-connected inverter offered by Felicity. This inverter is relatively heavy due to its high power output. It is primarily used in settings such as restaurants, hotels, villas, and supermarkets. For most households, a 20 kilowatts inverter is sufficient. Our company is currently manufacturing 20 kilowatts inverters, but that will be covered in the next phase. It will be available to everyone very soon. The 50 kilowatts hybrid grid-tied inverter features 4 MPPT units, capable of connecting to 8 sets of PV arrays. Our products have passed to US CI certification standards and are eligible for sale in Europe. This device has an IP65 rating for water and dust resistance, waterproof and dust resistance, making it suitable for outdoor installation. This is our company's high voltage battery. At the very top, it is the controller for the high voltage battery, which we refer to as the BMS model. So we have 12 rounds here. That's the battery. This set of high voltage batteries has a total capacity of 60 kilowatt hours. We can see that it consists of 12 models. Each model has a capacity of 5 kilowatt hours. So combined, they are a total of 60 kilowatt hours. This battery also holds European CI certification, and we have already sold numerous units in Europe. When combined, they exhibit the following characteristics. First one, freely and flexibly. Configurable operating modes adapt to diverse application scenarios, covering virtually all energy storage requirements such as a pure-off-grid, hybrid grids, and microgrid systems. Second, support up to 12 inverters in parallel, ranging from 50 kilowatts to 600 kilowatts, with maximum energy storage capacity reaching 5.7 megawatts per hour. Features: a proprietary single-phase input with 3-phase output capability. 4. Adapts to diverse global grid standards, including 3-phase, 380 volts, 208 volts, and 480 volt systems across Europe, Africa, Middle East, the Americas, and Asia. Number 5, it maximizes user benefits. Here's the good thing: benefits by tailoring performance to specific application scenarios and requirements. Number 6, proprietary cloud monitoring system enables remote data monitoring and dispatch control. Number 7, built-in lightning protection and overvoltage protection ensures safe and stable system operation. Our inverters can be used in areas prone to frequent power outage, make them ideal for regions where access to electricity is inconvenient. This scenario is referred to as an off-grid scenario, for example, certain islands, and etc. Our inverters also serve another purpose in Europe: peak shaving and valley filling. For instance, when electricity prices are high, we can sell our electricity, right? That's a good deal. When electricity prices are low, we can store our electricity, like that. For example, Europe's current dynamic electricity pricing, our inverters maximize user returns. Another primary application scenario for our inverters is microgrid systems. For instance, if your customer has only installed a grid-connected system, our inverter can establish an independent power station and transform the entire system into a hybrid grid system. First of all, our company's points mall is now officially live. Everyone can earn points and receive more rewards. Second, for every kilowatts inverter and battery system installed, you can receive a $200 Amazon gift card. That's a good thing. $200 Amazon gift card. That's a lot of things. That's beautiful. The number 2, Purchase the complete 50K system now and enjoy a 50% discount. Look at the third one. Purchase the complete 50K system now and enjoy a 5% discount. Just beautiful. I'm gonna repeat again. First of all, our company's Points Mall is now officially live. Everyone can earn points and receive more rewards. Number 2, for every kilowatts inverter and battery system style, you can receive a $200 Amazon gift card. That's what you heard, $200 Amazon gift card. Number 3, purchase the complete 50K system now and enjoy a 5% discount. Number 4, customers or online reviewers participate in product testing and publish videos. Go ahead, customers or online reviewers participate in the product testing and publish videos. Mainstream video platforms such as YouTube and TikTok. For 20,000 views, we will gift one product. That's a good and beautiful thing to you as well. Again, special offer on 50K inverters. I'm gonna repeat again. Number 1, our company's Points Mall is now officially live. Everyone can earn points and receive more rewards. Number 2, for every kilowatts inverter and battery system style, you can receive a $200 Amazon gift card. That's amazing. Number 3, purchase the complete 50K system now and enjoy a 5% discount. And number 4, customers or online reviewers participate in product tests and publish videos. Mainstream video platforms such as YouTube and TikTok. For every 20,000 views, we will gift you one product. For specific pricing, please contact our sales team.